Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is the lecture of IR spectra, and here I will explain you the number of bands in IR spectrum. Okay. So normally the number of fundamental modes are 3n minus 6 for non-linear molecule, and 3n minus 5 for linear molecule. That means we will observe number of bands for any particular molecule depending upon the number of atoms n. So when two or more modes of vibrations may be equal or equivalent, they are known as degenerate modes. Means having the same energy. Then the total number of vibrations or bands in IR spectra will be less than expected, which is rare. Normally it hardly happen. Why? Because of overtone or combination. Okay, but this is ideal condition that if the both bands are equal and we observe only one band instead of two, then we get less number of band what we expect. Or in the following cases, the total number of bands will be more than the expected. Okay. The first condition, the possibility of overtones occurring, at frequency 2v1, 3v1, where each v1 represents fundamental mode. So because of overtones, there may be more than what we expect number of vibrations appear in IR spectra. Second is due to formation of combination and difference band. You know, the combination bands arise simply from the addition of two or more fundamental frequencies or overtones, such as V1 plus V2, 2V1 plus V2, or V1 plus V2 plus V3, etc. Whereas the difference band arise due to the difference in frequencies between two or more fundamental frequencies or overtones, such as V1 minus V2, 2V1 minus V2, or V1 plus V2 minus V3, etc. So these are the reasons for having more than band, more than what we expect in IR spectra. So that's it in this lecture. Thank you so much.